Laban ng Caloocan versus San Juan. Tampok ang UP Maroon Boys makakalaban si Kian Baclaan. Parang naging UAAP Finals. Rematch ito.
Raylan for three. Yes! Our scoreboard here. Torres.
Nakatikim si Kian Baclaan ng chase down block.
Bilis si Baclaan.
Baclaan is blocked!
Ganda din ng point guard matchup ni na Orlan Wamar at Kian Baclaan.
Ho! Kasi sneak sa gitna.
There you
Ika
go.
to Wamar. Got it. Looking for a way through. Baclaan. Yes!
Before elimination in the last 2 minutes of the overtime.
Agad kay Kian Baclaan. Puts his head down. Kian. Banks it.
Pero hindi mawawala sa MPPL ang pisikalan kahit preseason pa lang na unsportsmanlike foul pa si Baclaan at kaldag ni Alarcon. High blood na naman si Senator Jinggoy.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays. Lead and Mike Calisan. Caloocan naman as Joko Tayungtong, Jello Razon, Eric Camson because of this.
Nabanggit natin sa Caloocan. Si Dev, diba, syempre, ang obvious doon, Celis, Baclaan, those were the big names. But how about Camson as San Juan opens up?
The double-double machine as well. That Patrick Sneed. Oh! Strong move from Patrick Sneed. Burst into the scene through Pasay. Maroon 8 ba?
Maroon 8. Oh,
Nabanag puts it in off the spin move. Can't see me. Coach Mike
maglaro ni Coach Mike Sagigit.
Joko Tayongtong banks it in.
Palencia, same din for San Juan.
Great defense by Caloocan. Cabanag 2-on-1.
Nice.
Leaves it to Jello Razon for 2. Unity. Drop 33 the day after he got stuck in the PBA tie.
Yeah, I remember. And then medyo naisip ko na, no? Little Iverson action, paborito ni Harold yan. Especially in the guard play.
Wow, this is going to be a nice matchup. Abadiano and Baclaan.
What a play! That was a tough angle to finish.
Basta dyan lang yan, sure ball yan eh. Tulad nito si Jello Razon. Quarter. Baclaan puts his head down. Natapik ni Raul Soyud and Kian gives up the foul. Wala pa sa penalty ang San Juan.
And they're looking for an unsportsmanlike foul or yung tinatawag natin, no, na clear path because Soyud was the officials are going to upgrade this right here. Terence, you see him with his eyes up. Was about to pass. And then Baclaan, especially offensively. Baclaan, though,
Baclaan, coast to coast.
in 4 seconds. And that was not a straight line coast to coast.
Having their cups to provide for the backcourt needs of San Juan, but with all respect to Kuya Orlan Wamar Jr. So the focus.
9 seconds on the shot clock. Kian looking for a way through. Baclaan. Yes!
Okay, yan. Matik na. What he lacks, no, sa kanyang katangkaran, lalo pag nakapasok siya sa pintura. Ito yung isang part ng Maroon 8. Si Boran.
18-16. Torres against Baclaan. Oh, that's a tough shot! Raylan Torres.
An inch post area of the triangle.
Nice shot here, high off the glass from Raylan Torres.
There you go.
Boral, short. Marquez challenges the defense and puts it in.
And that's what we mentioned.
Cabanag, long range. No, Jammer is there to clean it up.
And the drive by Alforque draws another defender. 22 came from all of their guards. No, Wamar had 5, I believe. Terence Fortea.
3.5 minutes remaining in the second period. Atake si Joko, bagsak kay Jammer Hamito.
To their offense compared to San Juan, and yet it's still a 6-point game after that basket by Hamid.
Iba down low. Sneak corner. Atake si Sneak sa gitna.
There you
Ika
go.
to Wamar. Got it.
That's it.
He's not gonna miss for long.
MJ. Diba? And then Destroyer. Yeah, na-curious lang ako. Comes on with a turnaround. That's a professional scorer. That's a professional move. In a decade already.
Robbie Celis with the rebound. Bigay agad kay Kian Baclan. Puts his head down. Kian backs it in. He looks more and more comfortable here. Things around. Ball is tapped. Villapando will lay it in.
Almost like 2 minutes
Yeah.
before elimination and the last 2 minutes of the overtime. But Orlan Wamar has
Maraming salamat sa exchange. Camson is open.
good
Goal.
line, good shot.
9-point lead for the Batang Kangkalu. Baclaan to Camson. Camson slows down and backs it in.
And
Soberano.
pero ito, mabilis si Baclaan.
Baclaan is blocked by Villapando.
Mabilis din si Villapando.
And that's touchdown. Gentlemen,
Because kung na-shoot ni Baclaan to, tatime out na ang San Juan eh.
sa taas inantay
Oo. And right here, ito yung Cabanag trying to go
This
for the
is also
steal.
a
Yeah.
basket-saving play
Right. On the other end.
on some of the most important
Exactly.
moments in the game. But Villapando, talk about fresh, delikado number. 23 shot, 24. 24.
Correct.
Sleet inside. Villapando.
Sa ibabaw ulit.
Here's Sleet. Nakabuelo. Patrick Sleet will finish.
We're getting it.
Bago City. Baka magahin mga taga-Bago.
Eto. Ayan na, chicken inasal. Hindi man post-up play.
Point game. Raylan Torres gets
There
it
you
to
go.
Sleet. Raylan for three. Yes! The Knights are back on top. Sleet with the steal. Wamar, Sleet. Sleet back to Wamar for two. Lumabas si Biton against Torres. Fade away is good. Pamatay sunog. Galing kay Alarcon. Banging bodies with Tayungtong. Offensive foul.
Got the green light here to attack, but that was a foul right there by Tayongtong, I
The
thought.
first one.
The first one, yeah. But the second one, I thought,
Dostin, he recovers. Bigay kay Andres Ramos. Masyado malakas. Raylan Torres. Putback is good. Camson.
that's
Over
money.
Ramos.
That is money.
Alam mo na eh, no?
Oh, position.
Okan. 3-on-2. Razon is open. The three is good. So many shot makers on the floor, Christian.
Embarrassment of riches for the guard play for both teams. Biton, I thought, is the one that is really capitalizing. Tulad ng sidestep move.
Kay Camson. 5 seconds in the shot clock. Nice move by Eric Camson. No good. Can't get the roll.
Sa mukha.
A little frustration being shown there by Eric Camson. Yun, natamaan dito sa kanang bahagi naman. This is the three-guard combo that Villapando atake. No, Soyud though with a stick back.
Realize his penetration opened up the offensive rebound of Soyud.
They go inside. Matias out bustling Villapando for two
Dun dapat
by the Olympians. The Velasco brothers, Onyok and Roel Velasco.
specialty of the house. Deria Bajano, thank you for...
The little change in our scoreboard here. Torres will launch it. Raylan Torres. What a turnaround here for San Juan. Biton. 4-3. Yes. Against Torres. Binoon over Torres. He was well defended by Reyna. Di nakalookan dito. Joko, Villapando, right place at the right time.
Jerry had to cross half court to avoid the 8-second violation. Forced shot, and there you go. That's the game. How about that? I think that's rebound number 10 for Villapando.
And that's it. You
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!